What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing, as the title suggests, how the Osmo Pocket 3 will be replacing my Sony a7 Mark IV for YouTube. What can you not love about this camera? I mean, it's small, it's tiny. I mean, it's smaller than this cup right here. It's got an external microphone. It's on a gimbal, so I no longer have to have a gimbal to move things around, to vlog, whatever the case may be. It's got a 1-inch sensor, so low lights like this. I mean, granted, I got a light right here, but it's at about 1.7 EV. My volume meter here is not peaking out, so it gives me that signal as well. Granted, the Sony a7 Mark IV does give me that also, but I no longer have to worry about finding a battery, SD cards, a lens. I mean, here, let me show you my whole entire setup right now. Get this going. Right there. There you are. There's the light. And there's the microphone. As you can see, guys, this little camera does it all. I mean, it's versatile. Let me show you. Those cool overhead shots in the sink. You can do it. Our shots, say less. Not only is it a cool camera, but it gives you some dope POVs. And then last but not least, guys, it lets me shoot not only one form of content, but two. I can shoot my horizontal stuff for YouTube and my shorts for Instagram or YouTube Shorts. So yeah, guys, this thing's a beast. Yeah, guys, while I can go on and on for hours about why this camera will replace my a7 IV for video, as far as in the studio, I mean, what can you hate about this camera? Battery life? Possibly, but you can put it into a external battery. It's a little battery in the creator combo, you can plug it in. I mean, for under $1,000, this thing does a lot. It's got a 1-inch sensor. It films 4K 60. Whoa. It films 1080p at 120. You can flip it to horizontal, flip it to vertical at 3K. It's amazing. It's an all-in-one package. And then you have a mode where you can like product display, like ooh, and then bam, I'm back here again, homie. And then ooh, display, and bam, I'm back. So yeah, while you might not agree with me, I think this camera is pretty awesome. I saw this one guy's video. I'll link it up here, where he's able to plug in an external microphone, pretty much like a Yeti, via USB-C from his Osmo to his microphone, and it provides even better audio than this thing does. So, what do you guys think about the Osmo Pocket 3, guys? Do you think it's an over-glamorified camera? Do you think that this camera can actually stand up with the big ones? You let me know.